13 years ago, I couldn't get qualified help to come help at my existing job. So I had a bright idea of taking in all these people that wanted to learn and work for free and convert it into a school. There's 6.2 million jobs out there available, and a lot of that's welding, fabrication. The majority of those don't need a degree, and that's where we come in. We're actually graduating about 190 to 200 people a year, and the programs are anywhere from 6 months to 9 months. And we're actually placing 97% of our students into the field of fabrication. What you'll find on the first day of class is you immediately go to the cold saws, chop up some material, and get to the welding. We go through about 400 linear feet a week. And then other projects we have is a wheel spacer and then a tapping block, which will be done in our machine shop. In the chassis room, the class of 16 will be divided up into half, and we'll build two truck chassis. In the sheet metal area, we build a vase and a trash can, and we learn English wheel skills by doing a bowl. And the newest, latest is our laser from Amada. We have a very nice laser with an RI attachment and a nice press brake that they're able to learn basically small skills, on how that thing functions. And we have another area, we call it the manifold room, and there they will learn to polish off welds and shape steel. We focus on off-road and whatnot, that's where we come from, but the school is actually placing many people into aerospace, railroad, a lot of art. Different people want to do art, and there's definitely a skills gap. Growing up, through junior high and high school without having any type of shop classes. A majority of high schools do not, and that's where we come in. So we get quite a few students that aren't geared up for college, and we're happy to serve them. That's where I came from.